There was more freedom in 98 from the people. They allowed you to do things more openly, which is why Lucky Bhai came out. There was a Alisha Chinay, there was a Daleri Mehndi, there was also a Baba Sehgal. And then we came in the end and we could express ourselves the way we wanted to.
Yeah.
Now there are too many market forces, too many. The reason why we all started doing music was not that we were going to get taliyan and we were going to, though I started doing music because I wanted the chicks, but then that's a different issue. हम लोग वही हैं कि जो सुबह उठ के वक्रतुंड करते हैं, फिर गणेश माइंस भी है. मेरी बीवी से धोखा हो गया. She married a doctor, he turned out to be a rocker. विजय एक मेरे साथ भी रिकॉर्ड कर लो, शायद मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड मिल जाएगा.
I'll hold you to that.
Please hold. Should I come there? Hold me right now.
I would love to.
Please, yeah.
There are certain artists who've gone on record and said, "Bro, I'm an artist. मेरा इससे क्या लेना देना?"
No, that's wrong. एक तो मेरा भाई है. I don't agree. I really feel if you are somebody that people listen to, people follow.
You have an influence on.
अच्छी बात कर दो ना. Just सोचो कि उस बंदे का कितना बड़ा influence है. हम तो we are small. We are very very small compared to this kind of fandom in this country. They should speak.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Unmixed. There are musicians, there are artists, and there are legends. And one such legend has blessed us with his presence here at Unmixed. Please welcome Palash Sen.
My God. Legend is a very big tag to handle, Vijay.
No, I mean it. Palash Bhai, I can call you Palash Bhai.
Absolutely.
Palash Bhai, I've been a big fan. I've heard so many, because we have a common friend circle.
Yes.
So I've heard a lot of stories about you. But other than that, even before I heard these stories about you, I've been a big fan of your music.
Thank you.
I've been a big admirer of your thought process, of your approach to your profession, of your approach to life. And it's an honor that you agreed to come.
Thank you so much, Vijay. I'm honored to be called over here. I think the feeling is very, very mutual. I mean, as you said, we know each other through our connections. And yeah, in my own way, I've been a very, very big admirer of the man you are. And I'm so happy you're doing something like this. I mean, who knows more about the music industry or the musicians or the artists more than you? I mean, you've been around and you worked with the best of the best. And you know what it takes to be an artist and how artist's heart really works.
We're just trying to do our little bit
Absolutely.
to give back to the community.
Yes.
And but tell me something, Palaji. What is it that makes you tick at even now? Because when I first heard, when you came onto the scene with a bang, Euphoria and everything, cut to now, what makes you tick?
The challenge of being here. I think I've, Vijay, from day one, my life has always been about challenges. You know, it's I'm a half Bengali, I'm a half Dogra. It's not easy to be one. So I'm from Bengal also. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir also. First, I spent most of my initial growing up not with my parents. I was with my grandparents because Papa and Mom, both doctors, they were trying to establish their careers. So I was looked after by my Nana and Nani. At about 5 or 6, I came back to 6. I came back to Delhi, and then it was like, oh wow, these are different parents. There's a new city, the different mindset, challenge. Then you walk into a school, St. Columbus, which is completely an English-based school. And I came from Jammu. So my basic language was not English. It was actually Hindi. So one more challenge. Then, life has always thrown its own challenges. Being in a country that is primarily run by Bollywood, to be a non-Bollywood independent guy, challenge. And it's been like this forever. Like if somebody, Vijay, you're saying something so nice to me, but I know for a fact that being an independent musician, a non-Bollywood musician, I don't have that reach or the standing that most of the Bollywood people do have. And making my music heard has always been a challenge. There is still certain kind of being attached to the roots, which are still available in the bigger cities. ना क्या हो गया, we are all running in a rat race. हम लोग बस एक दूसरे को नीचा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जीतने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. अभी भी स्मॉलर सिटीज में इतना जीत और हार का, लोग एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं. Somebody will sit in a corner, have a tea, just talk.
But isn't there, I mean, because we're discussing this, I want to stretch this a bit more. Isn't their dream always to be or lead a life that the tier one city guy is leading.
Of course,
तो
I'm sure they are
उनके जो
aspirations.
aspirations
Yes.
और
Ab, my son grew up in Delhi,
Hmm.
but he wanted to go to LA and he studied at the UCLA. So his aspirations, but मेरी aspiration वही है कि मैं छोटी और मैं मुझे पता है विजय ये सब ये जो होता है ना शोबिज गाना ये सब चीजें दे आर मोमेंटरी ये खत्म होंगी सबके लिए खत्म होती है मेरे लिए भी खत्म होंगी और जब भी खत्म होगी आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू गो बैक टू अ स्मॉलर प्लेस and be there and be unknown, not be noticed by anybody, be away from the cacophony.
Is there a place like that in India that you identified?
Oh, yes, any of the mountains. I mean, I would love to go back to Himachal. You know.
Have you built a house or something?
Oh no, I have not.
तैयारी नहीं की?
Still don't have the money. Vijay, that's the funniest part.
Come on.
No, I'm not joking. I'm very. See, this is the problem. When I say it, nobody understands because whatever I've earned, Vijay, honestly, I put back into my music only.
Right.
All these videos that are coming out, all this, nobody's backing us for years. We are truly an independent artist.
Yeah.
There is no backing at all.
No, because I take you back because you mentioned about when you came onto the scene 27 years back. When you were interacting with your fans or listeners back then, and 27 years hence today, what is the difference that you see? जो तब fan था, जैसे मैं 22 साल का 23 साल का था जब मैंने when I saw Dhoom Pichak Dimon and I said wow, what is this? Someone had the courage, I would say, to bring out something like that and not kind of get stuck in the templated norm.
I was thinking about Shri Ram back then.
Really?
Yeah, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा? That's Dhoom Pichak. That's what I said. कि तुम हो मेरी मैं तुम्हारा छोटा सा संसार हमारा आगे जाने राम क्या होगा? In 98, it was not a problem. I could say it without being labeled a bhakt or whatever. So I mean, Ram is part of us here. So I mean, whatever. I could do that in 98. I think just to start your the answer, there was more freedom in 98. Not by the government forces or whatever, from the people. They allowed you to do things more openly, honestly, which is why Lucky Bhai came out, which is why there was a Silk Route, there was a Alisha Chinay, there was a Daler Mehndi, there was also a Baba Sehgal. And then we came in the end and we could express ourselves the way we wanted to. Now there are too many market forces. Too many.
But you see, the independent music scene in India, some would argue, still continues to grow stronger. So you have people like Anuv Jain or Pratik Kuhar and a whole lot of them actually. And they have their own fan following. हालांकि उनके जो followers का जो age group है, like my kids listen to these, back then, all the names that you mentioned, whether it was Sunita Rao, Shweta Shetty, Alisha Chinay, yourself, Colonial Cousins, Leslie Louis, all of they didn't necessarily fall into an age, the followers that is. They didn't follow. So the point I'm trying to say is कि अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि तब freedom ज़्यादा थी to express yourself or whatever, I still feel that freedom exists. I have a counterpoint. I feel personally that a whole lot of this curbing of और या हमको 4 बार सोचना पड़ता है कि हम क्या बोलें एक पब्लिक फोरम में या हमारे सोशल मीडिया पे, that is largely driven by कि इसका repercussion क्या हो सकता है.
Yeah, absolutely. There's fear.
But is that fear for real or you feel it's manufactured?
Again, Vijay, we are sitting ducks. Why? When I look at say all these the newer independent people, you just mentioned two. Who are the two that everybody mentions? उसके beyond क्या है?
Right.
The question. उस समय ये था कि एक पंजाबी पॉप वाला भी बंदा था, एक मतलब एक लकी अली जैसा भी बंदा था, एक यूफोरिया भी था.
Correct.
अब क्या हो रहा है कि if you see Anup Jain is just part 2 of Pratik. The thought is the same, the expression is the same, the singing is the same. So what happens is that the same thing, which actually happens in film also. What happens is that if there's a Kishore Kumar, now you're looking for Kumar Sanu, Abhijit Bhattacharya. Similar. If there was a Mohammad Rafi, you look for Sonu Nigam. Similar. So what I'm trying to say is, in the 90s, and I'm very sure about it. I mean, you guys, I mean, if you were 20s, it was your time. So the 90s or the late 90s or early 2000s, there was a lot of independence given to people to come and express themselves their way. कोई formula नहीं था. आप देख लो, एक Bombay Vikings भी था. So there was no formula. People appreciated you to be yourself. You could say or do what you wanted to. Now, Vijay, the problem is this. I mean, these are not things that are discussed openly. There's too much money being put in by almost all the artists. Artists छोड़ दो, influencers, anybody, actors. अगर आपने, if you want to get your post seen everywhere, you have to put in money. It's simple business. It wasn't there at that time. We never put in money.
Yeah.
I mean, MTV called me and said, yeah, we're going to be playing Mairi 16 times a day. They just said it. I didn't have to pay them. Who started it is the question.
Yeah. You're right, in the sense that as far as art is concerned, right, you may feel that art has kind of narrowed down.
Yes.
A large part of, and if I specifically talk about music, historically also, even when all of these artists existed, nothing in India, and I say this to all my guests, that nothing in India gets amplified the way Hindi film music. And I'm specifically saying Hindi film.
Sure.
There's of course Tamil, Bengali, Malayalam, a lot of other industries, but
who are still experimenting, by the way.
Exactly. But आपने शायद वही धुन सुनी होगी, it could be repetitive.
It is.
But it gets amplified because that is what people consume. There is a parallel industry, which is the non-film, where you come from and all of that. That also exists. The same Punjabi guys also exist, which is now become like,
Again, a huge amount of money being put there.
Right. But some would argue that for the money you put in, you're also getting returns on it in terms of, viewership, amplification, reach.
We don't know that. There's too many bots sitting on. These are all facts here. हम लोग ना हर दिन बैठ के ये चीजें discover कर रहे होते हैं, and we discover something new every day.
In fact, I would go a step further and say the acceptance of non-film into mainstream cinema has increased now.
Yes, I will not. Because, bro, look at cinema. Cinema, especially people sitting in Bombay, what they do is they want to have a finger in every pie that they think might be beneficial. So they will do it. There's no denying it. But you and I know there is a certain kind of film sound that will always be there. Or I'm not looking at it in a derogatory manner. And what you're saying is weird. Film is business here. It's huge business. It's all over the world. Bollywood is like one of our premier industries from India. Is Bollywood. So I'm not saying we can compete with that. I'm not even saying that. I mean, how can you compete with that? But what I'm trying to say is that, there was a space for everybody at one point. Now there isn't. Now it is going to be backed by, obviously, some kind of money, there has to be a backing, a very, very solid backing. Earlier, it was more dependent on merit. Just to add more.
Please.
When you look at Tamil music or look at, say, Malayalam music, they are still experimenting, yeah? And phenomenal experimentation is happening. And I think people encourage them to experiment. ये नहीं कि अब ऐसे ही है. और एक और चीज होगी ना, विजय, व्हाट्स हैपेंड इंडिया में इतना रीजनल म्यूजिक हो गया यार. भोजपुरी म्यूजिक इज ह्यूज. आई वेंट टू बिहार, दे ओनली लिसन टू भोजपुरी म्यूजिक. यूपी, Marathi music is already there. Punjabi, there is a huge amount of Haryanvi music that's happening right now.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Acha, Bangla music was always there. South Indian, every language has its own. So, to do a little bit of a pitch, there's a lot of Gujarati music that's happening. So, with our new album, what I'm doing, it's just like a thought. You know it, every time whenever we do a song, there is some influence of folk influence from somewhere or the other. Like, for example, Dhoop Pichak mein there was Bangla, Mairi mein there was Punjabi, Ana Meri Gali was straight, Mumbai, that beat. So, now what we've done is we're taking out 8 songs. They're all collaborations.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, every song is a collaboration with one different singer, one different language, and one different region.
Wow.
So there is a Malayali song, there's a Gujarati song, there's a Bengali song.
It's like a flavors of India.
Yeah. And every a different collaborator on each song.
You've written and composed in all the languages?
Yeah. Oh. Not written, obviously.
In the sense, of course, not the lyrically, but I'm saying...
say, like, for example, I wouldn't know Malayalam, but I would tell the lyric writer...
It's composed by you.
Composed by me.
You support the 2-language policy? Because you want us to be one.
Well, not really that. I would say, I mean, this is what I'm trying to say. There has to be a national language, which is, I would believe it should be Hindi. There should be a mother tongue.
Why do you believe it should be?
Well, that is the only language that can,
Is what you think.
No, I mean, I feel. Like, but then there has to be a mother tongue.
I'll just pause you there. I'm a Tamilian. मैं अगर केरला भी जाता हूँ तो मैं मलयालम नहीं बोल सकता
Correct.
या कन्नड़ा नहीं बोल सकता अगर मैं बैंगलोर जा रहा हूँ
Correct.
या तेलुगु नहीं बोल सकता हैदराबाद जा रहा हूँ. आई नो माई मदर टंग आई एम मुंबई बेस्ड, सो मैं हाइपोथेटिकली कह रहा हूँ कि अगर मैं तमिलनाडु का रहने वाला होता तो मुझे एक तमिल आती है.
Correct.
अब मेरा जो लिंक लैंग्वेज है एक केरलाइट के साथ या विद द कन्नडियन, दैट कैन नॉट बी हिंदी बिकॉज
It'll be English.
करेक्ट.
So, which was what I was coming to.
Huh.
So, I said, what I'm trying to say is that there should be a international language, which is right now English, unfortunately or fortunately. That is what connects us. There's so many Spanish-speaking people in the world, or French-speaking people. But English connects. It's an international language. There should be one national language, and there should be one your mother tongue. Mother tongue, most of us know by default anyway.
जी.
So मैं फिर से ही बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. There has to be regional pride. There has to be national pride, and then you have to be a citizen of the
globally
global
relevant.
Yes.
ये इस एल्बम जब आप कंसीव कर रहे थे, what was the thought process? What was your inspiration?
Oh, ऐसा कोई
कि आपने ऐसे क्यों सोचा कि मेरे को 8 अलग गाने अलग लैंग्वेजेस में कोलैबोरेट करके बनाना है? कि did you feel कि यार अब वक्त है कि ऐसा कुछ निकालना है, या it was just a very natural?
It comes naturally to me. See, bro, I'm in a very huge, मैं बहुत बड़ा patriot हूँ. मैं बहुत patriotic हूँ. I'm very proud to be an Indian. और मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि I'm proud to be a Bengali or a Dogra or what. No, I'm not saying that. I'm proud to be an Indian.
जी.
And I'm as proud of a Marathi. Like you see, everybody working with me is a Marathi. I'm very proud of their
जी.
work value,
जी.
stuff like that. I love the South people. Everybody. As I said, I have done a song in Malayalam.
Yes.
So I mean, I'm a very proud Indian. मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग कमाल के लोग हैं
जी.
और हम लोग सब के सब कमाल के लोग हैं. मैं ये भी नहीं कहूँगा. Which is why I would want कि holding on to your regional pride. Always be proud to be an Indian.
Of course.
We all should be.
Of course.
So that is my thought. कि when I'm showing all these colors of India, I'm just trying to say कि हम लोग सब we are all trying to say maybe almost same things. Just a language is different. But I would enjoy appam and stew as much as I would enjoy chana bhatura. I mean, it's a fact. We all do.
Yeah, we all do.
So ऊपर से नीचे everybody is almost eating the same kind of food, almost wearing the same kind of clothes, and enjoying wearing those clothes. So why not? There should be more national integration. I feel that way.
Yeah, and no, that's a beautiful thought actually.
Yeah.
Ki if you felt, we are missing out on our core, which is of course that हम सब एक हैं.
Yes.
But Indianness cannot be different from, I'm just, because we're discussing, that's a very interesting discussion. I've never had these discussions with any guest on the show. So with your permission, I'm going to just expand on this a bit more.
Yeah, of course.
मेरा ये विचार है कि आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं कि हम सब पेट्रियट्स हैं. हमें सब, we all love India. And very रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं ना जब we see the national flag and we say तो 100%. बट मैं कह रहा हूँ कि उसमें फिर हम जाति बाती पे या casteism, dividing people on religion, that cannot be permitted. That is not Indianness.
Which is what I'm saying. That's the government. That's what a government should work on. See, my problem is we have to rise above these things. यार हो गया यार. मैं कौन सा बैठ के सोच रहा हूँ मेरा क्या कास्ट है. मैं नहीं सोच रहा कि मेरा क्या कास्ट है. मैं तो नहीं देख रहा कि मेरी बीवी का क्या कास्ट है. मैं नहीं देख रहा मेरे बैंड में किसका क्या कास्ट है.
Exactly.
हम लोग सब एक साथ बजाते हैं. We all, when the cricket team gets onto the field, we're all thinking कि ये कौन से regions है. इसके या फिर इसकी जाति क्या है. But there are people who are doing that. What I'm trying to say is that I have tremendous faith in the Indian government and in the Indian system. Of course, everybody makes mistakes, but this is one thing that they have to do. They have to eliminate the religious lines. They have to eliminate the caste lines. We all should be Indians, ना? खत्म होगी बात.
Correct.
और ये क्या बोलना है कि मैं हिंदू हूँ, हिंदुस्तानी हूँ ना. मैं हिंदू भी हो सकता हूँ, मैं मुसलमान भी हो सकता हूँ, मैं कुछ और भी हो सकता हूँ. हिंदुस्तानी होना जरूरी है, भारतीय होना जरूरी है. दैट इज माई पॉइंट. ये बोलना क्यों जरूरी है कि भैया मैं ब्राह्मण हूँ, मैं क्षत्रिय हूँ, या मैं ये हूँ, जो भी हूँ. क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा?
Beautiful. That's beautiful.
क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? रियली इफेक्टिवली सोचो. जब जब जनगण मन चलता है कि क्या तुम, डजंट एवरीबॉडी गेट टीयर इन देयर आईज?
Yeah, of course.
वी ऑल गेट टीयर्स इन आवर आईज.
I posted on my Instagram, I think last Independence Day. I think, and I'm saying this very objectively, not because I'm an Indian. If you listen to it as a musician or someone who understands music, it's one of the most beautifully composed national anthems in the world.
In the world.
No other national anthem gives you that,
No
the
way.
melody.
And I think it is like this also because of the diversity.
Yeah.
There has to be unity in diversity.
Correct.
Because the diversity this country actually has. कोई और दुनिया में है ही नहीं. अब जापान के तो सब एक ही हैं यार. यहाँ पे आके हो जाता है. But what I'm trying to say is उस diversity को positively देखो. It should not be divisive.
Yeah.
It should be unifying.
Do you feel artists, whether actors or musicians or singers or any, need to speak up more?
Absolutely.
On matters that concern everybody in this country.
Absolutely, yeah.
For example, you're seeing what's happening with the youth who are, on the streets in Delhi.
I've been speaking about it for the last 2 weeks. Yes, Vijay. Everybody should speak. जो भी think, मैं तो इतना लोगों को ये भी, I तो encourage so many people कि यार अगर तुम really educated हो, अच्छे हो, why can't there be more representation of people in the politics? मतलब ये तो है नहीं कि तुम लोग नहीं कर सकते, तो हम लोग सब कर सकते हैं. और चलो पॉलिटिक्स ही करना चाहते हैं, बोल तो दो, एक स्टैंड तो ले लो. यस, डोंट टेक स्टैंड्स अबाउट बायस. किसी को गाली देने से कोई फायदा नहीं है, बट टेक स्टैंड. जो चीज सही है,
आपकी विचार क्या है?
हाँ, सही है बोलो, गलत है बोलो. ये जो टारगेटिंग चलती है ना, मुझे इससे भी प्रॉब्लम है. ये क्या गाली बैठ के प्राइम मिनिस्टर को गाली दे दो, इसको आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. एक तो मैं खुद गाली नहीं देता हूँ. मुझे लगता है गाली देना इज द मोस्ट द बेसिक लेवल दैट शुड बी अवॉइडेड. वो देता है जिसके पास कुछ बोलने को नहीं होता, वो गाली देता है. इवन इन कॉमेडी आई फील दैट वे. When you don't have something funny to say, you abuse. Everybody laughs. What I'm trying to say is that, you have a perspective. We all have a perspective. Bolo na.
There are certain artists who've gone on record and said, bro, I'm an artist. मेरा इससे क्या लेना देना?
नहीं, that's wrong. एक तो मेरा भाई है, but ये गलत है. I don't agree with it. I really feel if you are somebody that people listen to, people follow.
You have an influence on.
Of course, you have an influence on people. अच्छी बात कर दो ना. So it will influence me. Like you were just telling me about an artist who goes and stands outside Shah Rukh's house.
Yeah.
Just सोचो कि उस बंदे का कितना बड़ा influence है. हम तो we are small. We are very very small compared to this kind of fandom in this country.
Right.
Actors have the kind of following. They should speak.
Could it also be? I'm just dwelling on this a bit more. Could it also be the fear of repercussion?
Yes.
कि मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. आज अगर मैं एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ, मैं सिंगर हूँ, म्यूजिशियन हूँ या एक्टर हूँ, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, बट अगर मैं बोल दूं तो शायद उसका नतीजा कुछ और ही हो जाए.
तो मैं सोच के बोलो. What I'm trying to say is be very very clear with your communication.
Do you feel artists are sometimes coerced or into submission, or they work under pressure? See,
Vijay, one of the biggest reasons I never came to Bombay was that I came here to do a film. It was a film called Filhal. I did it in Meghna was directing.
I've seen that one.
So I came to Bombay and then I saw the entire scene in Bombay. There, of course, there are so many camps. There is a lot of holding. There's a lot of PR. There's a lot of these things which I was not a part of. And when I came and saw it, I got scared. कि यार ये तो मेरा है ही नहीं scene. तो मैं वापस चला गया. मैं कहा मैं एक्टिंग करूंगा, मैं नहीं करूंगा एक्टिंग, मैं गाना गा लूंगा, कोई बात नहीं. Which is I think one of the reasons I never tried to be even a musician in Bollywood or a composer in Bollywood or an actor in Bollywood, because I realized so Bombay industries are very different. What I'm trying to say is that these kind of actors, I mean Bachchan Saab, if somebody takes that lead, and I really feel people will follow. The world has changed. I think every actor will have to realize we're all more accessible on social media. वो जो होता था ना, we're superstar. I think that entire thing is getting dissolved very fast. So I think you have to be more and more one with the people. You have to be more and more the common man. The stardom thing was that innings is over. I really feel all these people should actually express themselves freely, honestly, but definitely in a dignified way. Abusing somebody or saying something personal about somebody, that's not the right way to
हाँ नहीं,
criticize.
अब्यूसिव का तो नहीं,
हाँ.
बट कि ये डर नहीं लगे कि यार मैं बोल दूं तो क्या हो जाए, कि कल रेड ना पड़ जाए.
नहीं, अब वो तो बॉम्बे में तो लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ों का डर है यार, सच बात है. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड ऑल्सो. इट्स अ वेरी बिग इंडस्ट्री. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ मनी राइडिंग ऑन
It's a
पीपल.
tightrope.
It's a tightrope
For-
balancing.
Yeah, because and I'm just quoting. This is not my imagination, but Mr. Amir Khan recently said that Three Idiots was not based on the life of Mr. Wangchuk.
But that's what they said in the beginning.
They
that
said,
it was.
exactly. So to see the sudden, and then I was reading the comments on that particular page, and everybody, like you rightly said, the lines between people and artists or stars are blurring.
Yeah.
Everybody on that video was just so taken aback, and they were like,
Vijay, the thing is this, that which is the reason why slowly and slowly people don't take the film industry seriously. It's entertainment, and that's it. And I personally feel these kind of comments or these kind of things are the reasons for it. Be real, na yaar. इसमें क्या problem है? I mean, all over the world, I'll just tell you, all over the world, the film industry has always, matlab, I'm talking about say America or say Britain, even in places like say Iran and all, the film industry has always taken the first step towards being the leaders in expressing themselves
right.
for the people. And why not? They have such huge influence. एक यही भी problem है. But again, now it'll go to a bigger discussion where I'm going to say, we as a race, there is a problem. I will always say that. There's all I feel it very, very strongly.
Can you tell me more?
So I don't think we are honest enough. I don't think so. We are not honest enough. And in so many ways, we're very, very selfish. We are happy with our house looking clean. We don't care about what happens outside.
Very well said.
We don't care about what happens in the neighborhood.
Very well said.
और जबकि and these are things I see in small towns where people are bothered about neighbors.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yes. People are bothered about neighbors. हमारे यहाँ पे you could be staying in the same building and people not be speaking to each other. Because that thing has come into us, that कि मेरा क्या है?
मैं वही सोचता हूँ पलाश भाई. I see in the area I stay, right, and I see this across the city actually. Senior citizens, women with children struggling to cross the road क्योंकि कोई रुकना ही नहीं चाहता. हालांकि the paradox is कि सभी के गाड़ी में एक भगवान की मूर्ति.
Yes.
सब गॉड फेयरिंग.
तो हम ये हैं, हम यही हैं, हम लोग जिस चीज
आपने एक और चीज नोट किया है, किसी का गलती से ऐसे पैर लग गया, वो तुरंत एक रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन, वो क्या कर रहा है उसको भी नहीं पता.
वो ये करेगा.
लेकिन उसको बचपन से सिखाया गया है कि किसी को पैर लग गया तो भाई भगवान का नाम लो और सॉरी बोलो. बट क्या ही फायदा.
नहीं, हम लोग वही हैं कि जो सुबह उठ के वक्रतुंड करते हैं, फिर गणेश वाइन्स भी है. We are those guys. There'll be like some I'm telling you. So we are a paradox यार. ऐसे वैसे ही दुनिया भर आके हमारे पर रूल करके नहीं गई है, ऐसे वैसे नहीं आई. There was a problem. There was always been a problem. So which is what I'm trying to say is that I mean, this is a very, very big discussion. We can speak about governments but the problem is
this is beyond the government. Yeah. This is about the people as well.
But then government is made of us only, no?
Correct.
If there was a paper leak, there was somebody to buy it also, no?
सही बात है.
Why is somebody speaking about that? कि वो जो कौन से बंदे थे जो पैसा देने को तैयार थे, और ये अभी की बात नहीं है, bro. I took my medical entrance in 1984.
Oh yeah, who better than you to?
Yeah, the paper was leaked at that time also, and it was sold. My position was this. So they said, "Oh, bungling हो गई है, तो we will recheck." I said, "Okay." So now my PMT, my position was 600. Suddenly there was a recheck, and my position became 740.
Okay.
So अब my dad is saying, नहीं ये सब कोई बकवास होता है, तुम पढ़ाई करो. We were not sitting and protesting about it. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm not looking down on anybody. I'm just telling you कि जिससे पढ़ाई करनी ना, sit down and speak to an IIT JEE entrant guy and to a medical entrant guy. he is only studying. He is not thinking about politics. He is only studying.
The counter to that is कि protest इसीलिए हो रहा है. It's not only, it's an amalgamation of, I mean,
Oh,
this is
yes.
my reading of
Yes,
it.
yes.
कि there were students who lost their lives, who committed suicide.
Yes.
There were students whose entire years have got wasted now. And
Which is very bad.
also, very importantly, Palashji, very importantly, this was a government that promised governance with a difference.
Absolutely.
So now to constantly go back to, they did this. So then what's the difference,
That's what I'm trying to say. कि we as a people are wrong. 1984 में तो कोई और गवर्नमेंट थी यार, और तब भी यही हुआ था. In 1985, I'm going to tell you my story.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
1985, they shifted our campus from a place called Safdarjung Hospital. I was just telling, from Safdarjung to a place called Nandnagri, where it was a jungle.
Achha.
So we protested, but we had no political backing. So the protest obviously fizzled out. So then we went and did a whatever Gadi Roko in ITO. We got the canes also.
Achha.
So मुझे ही पड़ी है, अच्छी तरह पड़ी है. So हम सबको ये सब चीजें हुई हैं. What I'm trying to say is the system will not change till the people change. That's all my. It's something. I mean, if each one of us becomes a little more aware of ourselves, I'm sure the system will change. It's already changing in a lot of ways, and it's not changing in so many ways. So when we start blaming, as I said, we are okay having our house clean, bro, but go and see the back lane.
Correct.
उसको कौन गंदा कर रहा है?
Correct.
गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर रही ना,
हाँ.
हम ही कर रहे हैं. World class airports,
हाँ.
amazing airports. People are sitting with their legs on the chairs.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे फेंक रहे हैं, कोई थूक रहा है, वो कौन कर रहा है?
ये बड़े मजे की बात है कि आप कोई भी बिल्डिंग में, मैंने तो मुंबई में देखा है, इफ यू टेक द स्टेयरकेस एंड वहां पे सारे गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस के इमेज लगे ताकि लोग थूके ना.
Exactly.
क्रेजी.
Exactly.
उनको इससे तो डराओ कि
मतलब एक तो पता नहीं क्यों हम लोग थूकते हैं. I have no idea यार. We are the only guys in the world who are थूकिंग everywhere. What the hell? अबे keep the saliva in your mouth. It's good for your digestion.
says the doctor.
कौन समझाएगा लोगों को? थोड़ा भी थूका है, फेंक दो. ये क्या है?
Yeah.
So I'm telling you, no, I have not seen anybody else in the whole world
Correct.
spitting excepting us.
True.
So again, I'm saying this, and I'm not trying to protect anyone. I'm just saying,
we're having a.
yeah, I'm saying simply, the system will change, the governments will change if we, the people, change. But हमें कौन change करेगा?
Exactly.
That's the point. I would say there should be better parenting. We should be better parents. We should be better, society leaders. We should be more honest about things. As I said, जब तक एक खरीदने वाला रहेगा तो एक बेचने वाला रहेगा. जो पेपर बेच रहा है वो एक खरीदने वाले को ही बेच रहा है. तो गलत तो दोनों है. My point is that.
Has your thought process always been like this, or has it evolved over time?
Always like this.
And you've always been.
Always been like this. I mean, I'm telling you, I was part of the protest. यार मैंने डंडे खाए हुए हैं और मुझे पता. और मैं इतना भी बोलना चाहता हूँ. And again, I'm not. See, bro, if you go and do a peaceful protest, nobody listens. Everybody knows that. और ये चीज सबके बीच में आ गया. And again, obviously, the authorities higher up to be blamed. अगर कोई बंदा चुपचाप बैठ के, जैसे हम लोग ITO गए धरने के लिए, हम लोग साइड में बैठे हुए थे. Nobody cared. सब लोग बाय बाय करते हुए जा रहे हैं. You understand? Then we said गाड़ी रोको. We got into the middle of this intersection. सारी गाड़ियां रुक गई. They went mad. Police went mad. And immediately there was action. कि भाई ये लोग जो कह रहे हैं क्या बात है?
Right.
So you understand? It's like, I mean, there's a very popular dialogue in films कि अगर बच्चा रोए नहीं तो माँ दूध भी नहीं पिलाती. But that is, so we have come to that. Why cannot it be a little more, what should I say, responsible from the part of the authorities? अगर वो बच्चे बैठे हुए थे, बच्चे 20-22 दिन के लिए और चुपचाप बैठे हुए थे, कर देते.
पहले ही मिल लेते.
पहले ही बात कर लेते कि तुम्हें मन था कि ये लोग कुछ गड़बड़ करें, तोड़ फोड़ हो, पुलिस वालों के सर टूटे और बच्चे मरे, लोग जेल जाएं, कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए ताकि पूरा का पूरा मीडिया पागल हो जाए. Same protest happened in Bombay, I think yesterday or day before.
In Dadar.
Nothing happened. There was no fight. So no news. but मैं फिर से बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, morally upright people,
Hmm.
honest people,
Hmm.
I really feel that tribe is coming back. I really feel कहीं ना कहीं से that tribe is coming back. इतने साल हो गए, इतना फिल्म म्यूजिक है, इतना पैसा है, पलाश सेन खड़ा हुआ है ना.
Hmm.
और मैं इतने लोग मुझे लिखते हैं कि पलाश भाई आप खड़े हो ना तो हमें भी हिम्मत आती है. क्यों नहीं? हाँ, मेरी बत्ती लग गई है, वो दूसरी बात है, बट
नहीं, आप क्यों कहते हो बट ऐसा?
Vijay, it's not an easy to be in the place I am in. It's
But
not
you've
easy.
been an inspiration to so many.
So that's what I'm saying. I'm okay being the inspiration. Agar, if I was supposed to bear the cross, I'll do it. It is like that because I know if one man will do it. If a Rohit Sharma scored a century that day,
Hmm.
it gave inspiration to millions.
Correct.
So वो बंदा भी यार, he is obviously he's an honest cricketer.
Hmm.
मतलब what he does in his personal life I don't know,
हाँ.
but he's an honest cricketer.
Yeah.
उसके साथ ही there's one more guy, 38 39 years के दोनों हैं.
Hmm.
They're keeping themselves fit, they're still fighting for their country. They don't need it. पैसा भी है, सब कुछ है.
Correct.
But they are standing up कि hey, this is why we started playing cricket.
Yeah.
That's why we're playing cricket. So I think these kind of stories will inspire a new generation, and I always believe that कि यार ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि सबके सब बर्बाद है. अच्छे लोग भी होंगे,
नहीं,
जरूर होंगे.
which is exactly what I started off by asking you. After all these years, you know, what makes Palash Sen tick? You know, what drives you today? And you answered that very beautifully by saying, you know, you composed an album of 8 songs,
Yeah.
which are collaborations with different singers from different languages
Yes.
and, you know, parts of the country.
And here, I just called them up.
जी.
They didn't ask me for money कि भाई कितना पैसा होगा, क्या होगा, मतलब what are my percentages. Nobody discussed that with me.
That's your goodwill.
So that's when but it's also their goodness. It's not only my
But,
goodwill.
you know, I must tell you, because when I was trying to get you on the show and I reached out to Alok and I said कि भाई उनको ये सब दिखा देना हमने जो किया है कि उनको ये ना लगे. He said वो कुछ नहीं पूछेंगे. It's what goes around comes around. कि आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, आपने हमारे साथ ऐसा. You just came, right? You said
Vijay, because we're all part of the हम तो इंडिया की बात कर रहे हैं. ये तो बहुत छोटी इंडस्ट्री है यार. हम लोग सब we are all connected to each other.
yeah.
If we are not standing up for each other, फिर what will we can't expect the government to stand up for us.
Yeah.
We have to stand up for each other. So that's what I'm trying to say. There is goodness. मेरी जो भी goodwill है, but there's goodness in their hearts also.
Would you want to? I'm just trying to, you know, prod a little more. Would you want to tell us who the collaborators are?
Of course. So we have one Punjabi song. There are these boys who sing in gurdwaras in Punjab,
जी.
and they have made a group called the Nazar Pandher group.
Okay.
So we are collaborating with them.
जी.
Hardcore Punjabi, you know. Okay. Then there's a rapper called Dhanji. He's from Gujarat. So he's doing rap in Gujarati.
Oh.
Then our own Shalmali Khulgade is there. She's doing one song. Akriti Kakkad is singing a Bengali song.
Is Shalmali doing Marathi?
No, Shalmali is doing a Hindi song. Then there is a singer called Jyotsna Radhakrishnan. She's a Malayali singer. She's singing on the Malayali song. Then Abhay Jodhpurkar is singing a complete classical. Well, it's half English and half classical.
So that'll be interesting.
Yeah, so he's there, and so I mean these are the kind of collaborations we have on the album. Okay, now the best collaboration on the album is a song with KK. So what we did was there's a song of his called Aapki Dua.
Hmm.
I have always loved the song, and KK is one of my childhood friends. So we took his vocals. I mean, Sony Music was kind enough to give us his vocals. We took his vocals, did the song, re-recorded it. So half the song he sung, half the song I've done.
Did you use any AI for that?
No need to.
No.
Just took his stems. So that is for me, that is an amazing collaboration.
Of course,
on the
of
and
course.
it's a straight ahead Hindi song. But so I mean, these are all different things on the album, and yeah.
Abhay Jodhpurkar का मैं आपको बताऊं, I met him a couple of weeks back because you know, I must tell you, this is my 50th year. And one of the things on my bucket list always was to write and compose music. And so I trained in music when I was a kid, like all South Indian kids do.
Amazing, yaar.
So you didn't know this. So ये
Amazing,
मेरा
yeah.
हमेशा था कि I wanted to do my own music, but like you said, we all get caught up so much
Yeah.
in other activities, and you need a
Dal
different
roti.
one. हाँ. तो ये डेजर्ट के लिए कभी टाइम नहीं मिला, दाल रोटी में ही चल रही थी. And I thought, okay, since it's my 50th year, I should do this. And I had a few ideas in my head, and there's a very dear friend of mine called Sid Paul, who
Sid.
he
I
helped.
just sang a song for him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, just now.
So who helped me put it together? And I said, Sid, I respect your talent a lot, but I don't want you to do anything. The arrangement and programming will be me. You just help me with sessions and, just help me, because I don't have a setup at home. So
Okay.
we used to go to his place. He would open a session, everything. So I played the song to Abhay in my car. I said, Abhay, I want to meet you. He said, of course, anytime. And I played the song and I said, भाई तू इसको 2 बार सुन, मैं बाहर खड़ा हूँ, and बाहर आके मुझे बता दियो if you feel कि क्या बकवास है ये तो बता. He heard it and he said, when can we record?
Superb. Excellent.
Cut to just a few days back, I read the news that he won the national award.
Yeah.
And I said, देखा तूने मेरे को हाँ कहा, तुझे national award मिला.
विजय एक मेरे साथ भी रिकॉर्ड कर लो, शायद मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड मिल जाएगा.
I said, I'll hold you to that.
Please hold. Should I come there? You hold me
नहीं,
right
नहीं.
now.
I would love to.
Please, yaar.
Seriously. No,
I see, bro. I've always worked with people who are friends and who are, who are not commercial in their approach.
जी.
I mean, you're right up there, yeah. Please, anytime you
नहीं.
want me, just give me a call.
मैं ये चाहूंगा कि let me play my songs to you.
Go for it.
I just want your feedback and
Sure.
your blessings.
Sure.
And then whenever the inspiration comes, because I need to do justice to your talent to do something.
यार मेरा
here.
यार
See, you underplay this so much.
नहीं यार नहीं है यार मैं
I
बता
think you should have been better off being a doctor.
Yeah, I am a doctor only. Thinking तो वही है यार. Thinking तो डॉक्टर वाली. तभी मैं कहता हूँ I am stuck. वो हो जाता है.
Expand. You're stuck with what, being a doctor and a musician.
Yeah, because you always think like a doctor, na.
But yeah,
See, bro, I'm going to say something to
yeah,
you.
please.
See, you just told me such a big revelation that you've always been a musician. You trained as a musician, and what you're doing is actually numbers.
Yeah.
तो तुम बिजनेस कर रहा है. बट जो तुम बेसिकली होता है ना वो कभी चेंज होता नहीं. तू कह रहा है 50 में मान लेता हूँ, मुझे तो लगता नहीं तू 50 है, तू ऐसे बेकार. You'd want to get that, that status.
No, I'll tell you, I'm saying it with a lot of pride because you're 60, so मैं तो 50 बोल ही सकता हूँ.
No, I think you got it wrong. I'm not 60, I'm 27 actually. So yeah.
So you are also like these guys are half my age. I'm working with all these guys who are half my age.
No, I never think like that. And I see, bro, I love working with the younger lot.
Yeah.
I really feel the younger lot is much more aware.
Yeah.
And they're still not that corrupted. उनका नहीं है अभी, उनको भी पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है. वो पैसे को नहीं चेज कर रहे हैं, वो पहले कुछ बदलना चाहते हैं.
क्योंकि मैं बताऊं क्यों, क्योंकि I don't know how old is your son.
He's 30.
He's my son's going to be 20. उनको पैसे की जरूरत इसलिए नहीं कि माँ बाप उनके लिए पैसे का बंदोबस्त करके बैठे.
No, maybe that. See, bro, Kinshuk is working on his own. So Kinshuk is. So let me gloat about Kinshuk.
Please do.
Kinshuk is a graduate in neurosciences from UCLA. So then he became a struggler in Hollywood. So the guy has done
in neurosciences.
Yeah, he's done neurosciences.
Will he write in his Wikipedia? Will it be like he's the 18th generation?
Oh yeah.
Like you're the 17th generation.
But he's not a doctor now. He's done neurosciences, which is not.
But
it was a BSc and an MSc.
But borderline, no.
No, yeah, MBBS is different. यार ऐसा मतलब MBBS क्या मैंने यार. It's like my wife is a PhD and she still says that she is more educated than I am.
PhD
in biochemistry and biotechnology. So
suddenly I'm feeling like.
हाँ, so मेरी बीवी से धोखा हो गया. She married a doctor. He turned out to be a rocker. उसका धोखा हो गया. So she's a professor in Venkateshwar College in Delhi. So Kinshuk has done his neurosciences to please his mother. He's unbelievable. Vijay, I'll send you the films I've made with him. I've made 3 short films as a director, and he's acted in it.
Right.
I should send them to you. So now he has done 1 Hollywood film.
Wow.
And then now these are the interesting parts. He's been in the lead for 3 musicals. One being Aditya Chopra's Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge English version. He's in the lead in that. Then he did a musical with Meera Nair.
Oh.
Monsoon Wedding. He was the lead in that. Right now, he's doing a musical with a lady called Rachel Chavkin. She's a award winner and great director. He's doing The Lunchbox by Ritesh Batra. So he has done these 3 musicals. So now मतलब वो तो अपना ही काम कर रहा है, and he is very categorical that no, मैं बॉम्बे आके काम नहीं करूँगा, मुझे वही काम करना है.
Okay.
So he is doing, I mean, obviously I supported him when he was doing his graduation, but उसके बाद से he's on his own, completely on his own. He's doing all these things, and I would encourage him to do whatever he wants to do.
Yeah.
And the point is this, that जिंदगी में जो भी वो कमाएगा और जो भी वो करेगा, he should always be see, for example, the way I speak is because I know I got it on my merit. मैंने मुझे किसी के सामने हाथ नहीं जोड़ने पड़े. जोड़ता तो शायद और मिल जाता, बट मुझे और चाहिए ही नहीं था. I don't need what I don't have. So I want my kids to be like that also. My daughter's just graduated from biochemistry. Let's see what she does. She's also extremely talented in singing.
Is she in Delhi?
She's in Delhi. She's singing, and she don't want to go abroad. She said, "Papa, you made it in India. I'll make it in India." Okay?
Because you mentioned about your son acting in all these plays, we have a DOP here. I must tell you his story. Somesh, I think 8 years back, you were doing a music video where you wanted multiple people to dance in the background, and he was one of the kids who danced in the background.
You're from there? In the rain? Oh.
So before you came, he was super excited to see you.
How are you, Somesh? Obviously, you don't look the same that you would have looked at the time. I almost look the same.
27, he just said it.
So we did this almost 15 years back. No, sorry. 11 years back.
11 years
Yeah,
back.
11 years back. So Sumesh must have been about 6 or 7 years at that time. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
या मैं 27 का हूँ, तो वो तो 6-7 का ही होगा. So yeah, it was a great day. I got drenched all day. We all got drenched all day. Bro, he was on the ऐसा ये जहाँ the song. He was dancing at the back. Yeah.
वो जितने भी बच्चे थे उसमें एक ये भी था.
तू भी था, याद है?
ये सबसे ज्यादा आज एक्साइटेड ये था कि
Good to meet you, Sumesh.
पलाश भाई, मैंने कहा मैं खुद नहीं मिलना जिंदगी में, एक बार मिलने दे तू.
चलो उससे तो दूसरी बार मिल रहा हूँ.
Exactly. So Palash bhai, when can listeners expect this album to be released?
See, I wanted to take it out now, but now's not a good time.
Right.
And there is a lot of sadness. There's a lot of sadness in the country, and of course, and it's justified. So I mean, an album can wait. Humanity can't wait. So let's take care of this situation now. Then we'll see.
That's so beautiful, actually.
Yeah.
And you will distribute it on your own.
Yeah. No, now it's been distributed by a company called AWOL, which
of
is a distribution company for, I think, Sony. So they are distributing it because we were also taking the rights for KK's voice.
Right.
So that's the only thing. It's going to come out, and let's see what happens. We've gone and shot 2 music videos in Beed. This Saturday we're shooting another music video. So this is all self-funded. Completely.
You know, one of the qualities about you, and which I've always admired, and through Alok I've often discussed this with him, कि एक हमारा इंसिडेंट हुआ था 3 साल पहले शायद,
Yes, I
कि हम
remember.
एक कॉन्सर्ट पे गए थे और कुछ कारण की वजह से वो कॉन्सर्ट हम कर नहीं पाए.
Correct.
और उस रात आपने शायद मिथुन से फोन पे बात की थी.
Yes.
And what he told me, Mithun updated me on the conversation, and I was so touched.
Yes.
कि वो सिर्फ सुन के कि आपने उससे कहा था कि वो लोग तुम्हें देखने आए हैं.
Yeah.
तुम वहाँ खड़े भी हो जाओ. You know, you just say something, even if you don't want to sing, but that will make their day.
Yeah.
Because they came for you. And Alok showed me a video of a concert of yours in Hyderabad, I think, where something similar had happened.
Yeah.
And you were sitting with the crowd.
In the audience.
In the audience.
Yeah.
And I remember that.
On the floor.
And I said, you are a rare breed. You know.
Yeah,
but that's the truth. Like you're downplaying it, but that's the truth.
Yeah, well, I'm a very ordinary person.
So what makes you do that?
I'm an ordinary person. I'm one of everybody. मैं कुछ special नहीं हूँ यार. मतलब मैं गाना गाता हूँ तो it doesn't make me special. I'm from the जनता यार. I am the जनता. Which is why I'm saying कि ये जितने भी protest हो रहे हैं, जो भी हो रहे हैं, the guy who's at the top has to be with them. जब वहां पे हुआ पुलिस ने वो शो बंद करा दिया था. इन योर केस देयर वाज अ
Yeah,
प्रॉब्लम विद
yeah.
द मैनेजमेंट. This is what I told Mithun. Ki the artist cannot be controlled by these things. The artist is not controlled by money, not by fame, not by power. He's controlled by the people. They're not there कि तेरा किसके साथ क्या लड़ाई होगी, क्या आर्गुमेंट हो गया, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा यार. Everybody else can look at it differently. A musician might look at it differently. A technical guy will look at it differently. A manager might look at it differently. The artist is of the people. The police came in, there was some political झगड़ा or whatever. They put out the lights. They put out
Correct.
the people.
Sound भी नहीं था.
अरे बंद कर दिया. People didn't move. They didn't move. They didn't budge an inch. They said, Palash, we want to hear you sing.
Yeah.
The entire band got off the stage. We sat on the floor. We told all of them. मैंने उनको बोला बस तुम लोग बस चुप रहना. ज़्यादा गाना व शोर में मचाना कि तुम लोग सुन नहीं पाओगे. No mic, no nothing. I just sang.
Do you believe it is the love of your fans and the people who listen to you
Yes.
is what drives you?
Yeah, because
to do-
I think everybody who knows me
Hmm.
or who listens to our music knows कि मेरे अंदर ना कोई लालच नहीं है. I have no लालच. I have honestly no लालच. मुझे मैंने कभी जिंदगी में सोचा ही नहीं कि मुझे ये चीज चाहिए. मुझे कुछ ही चाहिए. मुझे देना है बस. I want to give it to people. I want to spread my music.
फिर
I
आप
want to-
कहोगे कि मेरी बत्ती लगी है.
हाँ बत्ती लगी है ना. बिकॉज फाइनेंसेस कोई और हैंडल करता है, उसको पता है कि क्या सीन है. मैं इतना सोचता नहीं हूँ विजय, और मुझे लगता है कि गॉड हैज बीन काइंड यार. कुछ ना कुछ तो ठीक ही हो गया यार.
Yeah,
ऐसा नहीं है कि
yeah.
नहीं हुआ है. बट यस ऑब्वियसली आई वुड हैव लाइक टू हैव लाइक a little more money in my hand to do all these things that I do. Not for कि मुझे घर नहीं चाहिए. मुझे अभी एक बॉम्बे में घर तो वही बिक रहा है. So it's like that. So but I definitely want money that I could, so that I could do whatever I feel like. Okay, मन कर रहा है कि इस तरह का वीडियो बनाया जाए.
For art.
Technically
It's all being for the art.
absolutely for the art यार. And also why you think I'm not with any label? I don't want to be told.
मैं वही पूछने वाला था कि look पलाश भाई, whether you accept it or not, you are a brand in your own right, correct? People who followed your music, who followed you, they know Euphoria, and Euphoria is synonymous with Palash Sen. ये जायज है कि if there are half a dozen music labels, the big daddies as I say, किसी ना किसी ने कभी ना कभी तो आपके साथ directly नहीं तो your management would have approached
Of course.
with deals,
Of course.
with some carrots. What made you? I'm guessing that none of them look attractive to you or lucrative.
It's
to you
not because of that. I got into a very, very bad legal case with one of the labels. So the same people had a problem with me, but they went to court with me.
Okay.
They went to court with me, and there was obviously a court case, and because they lost, it didn't end well. But then उस दिन मैंने समझ लिया यार कि यार देखो क्या है, if you go with a label, the only thing that will get, obviously there's going to be much more publicity, it'll get spread more, obviously you'll earn more, you'll get bigger shows, but where is the self-respect? Where is the dignity? Where is the independence? Independent का मतलब क्या है? मैं अगर अपने आप को इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिस्ट बोलता हूँ, इंडिपेंडेंट का मतलब यही है ना कि nobody else is supporting us excepting the people. So फिर मैंने कहा डिसाइड कर लिया, I don't need to. I will not do it. I have not done it.
And you never got attracted by kabhi nahi?
Bro, I work for my friends. For example, Mithun asked me to sing one song for a film called
Lamha.
Oh, beautiful. I'll go and do. Sachin Jigar have asked me to sing. I'll go and sing. My friends or anybody, like as I said, somebody who's trying to do things. Because bro, मैं इतना believe करता हूँ, and I'm going to say it very categorically. I don't think any musician or any music composer or any music director or lyricist or whatever starts working for the money. You first start working for the music. वो चीज सच है. Obviously यार कहीं ना कहीं जाके तो फिर तुम्हें अपना बनाना ही पड़ेगा. But the reason why we all started doing music was not that we were going to get taliyan and we were going to, though I started doing music because I wanted the chicks, but then that's a different issue.
You gave me the juice for the next question. Continue.
So yeah, making a band का मतलब क्या है? You understand, na? You want that, but the sad truth is, जब गा रहा हूँ तो सब लोग पागल हो रहे हैं. जैसे उतरा कि कोई पहचानता भी नहीं है कि तुम हो कौन.
Really?
Yeah, it's a fact.
नहीं गाड़ी के पीछे भागते हैं सब.
नहीं. Somebody has to look like you,
Nah.
not like me. You look like more of a rockstar.
You are 27, I'm 50. Come on.
But you look like a rockstar, na Vijay? So what I'm
uh,
saying is
yeah.
that that's just the. But the thing is this, that we all started working for one thing and the one thing only,
Hmm.
to make music.
That's very pertinent because a friend of mine who used to manage Lucky Ali, and we worked on this soundtrack called Tamasha almost 11 years back. And वो मुझे बता रहा था कि he went to some other artist for a show and some ridiculous demands came in. ये
हाँ,
नहीं वो
yeah.
नहीं होने तो he apparently he always tells Lucky कि यार तूने जब गिटार उठाया था तूने सोचा था कि रेंज रोवर आएगी या जैगवार आएगा तुझे लेने तू तो म्यूजिक के लिए आया था ना
Exactly.
सो
मैं वो चीज कभी भूला नहीं हूँ bro.
हाँ
My point is that only. मैं कभी वो चीज भूला नहीं हूँ. I mean, Alok will tell you, I am happy to be staying anywhere, riding in any car, doing whatever, till my band is taken care of. I'm more bothered
नहीं,
about that.
आपको नहीं पता वो आई टेल यू द सीक्रेट आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो बट आई शुड टेल यू टुडे आप कहीं भी रह लेते हो आप कोई भी गाड़ी ले लेते हो आलोक के लिए 7 सीरीज आती है और प्रेसिडेंशियल स्वीट बुक होता है तो वो स्वैप कर लेता है
Bro.
कहता है भाई ये कहीं भी रह ले
Bro, हर रात को हम दोनों खिचड़ी खाते हैं जहां मर्जी हो. We have खिचड़ी. The only problem is कि आज रायता मिलेगा या कड़ी मिलेगी. It's like that.
That's so sweet.
We have. You will ask him. It's never been. I mean, people have been kind enough to be putting me up in great rooms and great hotels, but I always sleep on the floor. मैं जमीन पे सोता हूँ. In bathtubs. I'm telling you because I really feel that's too plush for me यार. इतना वैसे soft गद्दा, इतना feather वाला pillow, ये क्या है? So I sleep on the floor. We eat the most basic food throughout the day. Morning में अंडे, शाम को खिचड़ी. It's like that. So I've never forgotten who I was on day one, which is why I'm going to be the same guy on day.
Have you ever thought of or are you in the process of documenting either through a book or through a documentary?
Not yet. Too many secrets to tell.
Yeah. But because the more I hear you, and this is the first time that we've met, the more I'm convinced that you are what you speak.
Yeah.
That there is no, there is no क्या कहते हैं, there's nothing, there's no other
बिल्कुल
persona.
नहीं. मेरा persona change होता है स्टेज पर. फिर वो
Yeah, because there you're a performer.
I'm a performer. So लोगों को लगता है ये जो दिख रहा है ना यही है बंदा. ऐसा नहीं है.
वो तो खैर वो तो it's like when an actor is in front of the camera.
Yes, I'm a different guy on stage. But I would like Alok to write the book.
No, seriously.
No, seriously,
it's a
I
very
would want
serious
him to write a book. He's a very, very good writer. Very good writer.
Is it?
Yeah. He's an excellent writer. So मैं खुद तो नहीं लिख पाऊंगा और अगर मैंने कभी अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी करनी है ना तो bro it has to be something like 2050 or something because there are too many secrets to tell and I will tell all. मैं सारी बता दूंगा. एक ही बता दूंगा. तो उसके बाद कोई तो मुझे रहने नहीं देगा इस देश में.
नहीं.
तो I would plan to go and stay in Osaka in Japan and then write the book.
And
उसके लिए भी 20 साल है एटलीस्ट.
बट आप अगर जापान जाओगे तिरंगे को लेके जाना.
बिल्कुल जाऊंगा. तिरंगा ब्रो मेरे लिए तिरंगा सबसे जरूरी चीज है.
I'm taking you back to the time when you said कि हमने पुलिस के डंडे खाए and we were part of the protests that happened as a student.
Yeah.
Having gone through all of that and having been a successful student who became a doctor, when was this whole creative burst of saying okay I want to now dabble in music?
Always then.
Always.
Because see ये
No,
सारे
but to take it up as a career choice.
bro it happened.
And
16
your parents were cool about it.
No, my mom was
हाँ मैं वही जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि
my papa was the one who had always encouraged me and my sister Dalia they encouraged me always.
And
my mother was not supportive.
and she wanted you to
She said कि तुमने सीट वेस्ट कर दी यार. पढ़ाई करी है पढ़ाई करो और वो भी किस इंडस्ट्री में जा रहे हो जहाँ पे हर दिन देयर इज अ स्कैंडल देयर इज एवरी डे देयर इज अ कंट्रोवर्सी. सो विजय व्हाट आई टोल्ड माय मॉम कि माँ आई विल ऑलवेज स्टे दिस गाय. इफ द डे यू डोंट फील आई एम द सेम गाय टेल मी आई विल स्टॉप इट. वन आई विल ऑलवेज बी अ डॉक्टर. Throughout COVID, Vijay, I gave treatment to so many people free. My doors were open, and I'm still a doctor.
in Delhi.
In Delhi, I'm still a doctor. I see patients for free. That's the second thing I told her. I'm always going to be a doctor. And third, you'll never read a scandal about me. If there's a controversy or a scandal, I will stop singing. These were my words to my mom. These are my promises to you. अगर आप बट वो एवरीथिंग वेंट डाउन द डे आई रोड मायरी द शी सेड कि मेरे लिए गाना बना दिया इससे बड़ा तो
हाँ,
इससे बड़ा ट्रिब्यूट तो हो नहीं
जी
सकता
जी
एंड रियली आई रियली फील I just wrote a song for my mom, you know.
Were you expecting that song because
No.
it's a cult hit?
Yeah, no.
जब आप लिख रहे थे कंपोज कर रहे थे, did you
No.
expect that it will explode?
मैंने कभी ये चीज मैं बताऊं विजय ना कभी ये सोचा ही नहीं कि क्या वर्क करेगा क्या नहीं करेगा क्या मिलेगा मैंने कभी
क्योंकि
सोचा ही नहीं
उसके बाद तो offers would have come flooding in, right?
they did but as I said bro मुझे ना पता नहीं क्यों I like the simple life like for example there were always these offers that come and sing आप आ जाइए एक गाना गा दीजिए हम लोग आपको 4 लाख रुपए देंगे 5 लाख रुपए देंगे at that time lot of money
Yeah.
no, I didn't agree मुझे बैंड के साथ जाना है मुझे ये करना है मुझे डांसर्स के साथ नहीं गाना करना है
Who were people in music who were your inspirations, if there were any?
Elvis Presley Kishore Kumar
Right.
R.D. Burman all the bands Deep Purple Led Zeppelin The Who Pink Floyd Doors
Wow.
all the bands and the main inspiration my dad and my kaka my chacha because they were both singers and doctors तो मैं वही बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि मेरे पहले भी जो 16 जनरेशन थे वो सबके सब डॉक्टर भी थे वो सबके सब गाते भी थे तो मैं कोई नायाब नहीं हूँ आई माइट बी द मस्ट बी द वर्स्ट सिंगर एंड द वर्स्ट डॉक्टर मेरे पहले भी सब लोग गाते थे सो मेरे लिए बहुत नेचुरल चीज थी यस इट गॉट डिस्कवर्ड मोर बिकॉज आई थिंक late 90s or 90s people were looking as I said for different people to do things differently you know if there was a silk route they wanted one Euphoria also we were louder you know rockier you know but there was space for everybody
And the original band members of Euphoria, they still continue to be?
just DJ the bass player
DJ Bahaduri.
he's still there Baki, everybody had see my point is very simple I don't make contracts with anybody there's no understanding
DJ Bahaduri was your closest aid
still
you
know he's my best friend so I would say that you know the whole deal is this कि जब तक तुम इस चीज से खुश हो अच्छी तरह काम कर सकते हो खुशी से काम करते हो करो ना जब भी जाना होगा बोल देना चले आना वो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है ये बिजनेस नहीं है ये एक इमोशन है यूफोरिया इज एन इमोशन
of course
it's an emotion if you share the emotion great but it's been so many years मैं अभी भी एक सोलो करियर पे नहीं गया हूँ तो there is a reason
but आप कर सकते थे
कर सकता था बट मुझे नहीं है ना लालच ही नहीं है
नहीं बात लालच की नहीं है for creatively wanting to express yourself
मैं तो सब कुछ यहाँ पे अपना क्रिएटिविटी तो यहाँ पे सेटिस्फाई कर रहा हूँ यार क्रिएटिविटी यही तो है कि अपने सारे भाई मिलेंगे बैठ के गाना बनाएंगे इट साउंड्स डिफरेंट इट्स अ फैक्ट
but Palash bhai you did act in movies
yes
right I mean while you say that you were happy doing your own stuff you did try to dabble in multiple
I didn't try they asked me
right and you agreed
see again
you also judged reality shows
they asked me so here's my point जो मेरा persona है जो मेरा thought process है जो भी है मेरा it should be brought to another stage also people should know कि भाई ऐसा भी तो सोचने वाला कोई बंदा बैठा हुआ है इसमें क्या खराबी है और आई एम अ वेरी नॉन फिल्मी गाय तो एटलीस्ट पीपल आर सीइंग लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई वेंट टू बंगाल टू जज वन सारेगम एंड आई ब्रॉट a man who was speaking English saying things differently I was reading out poetry I was doing things like that so it was a different kind of a feeling with the films what happened like Meghna just called me she said like we want you to act in this film so I thought कि they want a guy जो कि मायूस लगता है देखने में तो उसको डाल देते I said okay and my joke
I think you love this कि हर अचीवमेंट के पीछे यू से कि अरे ये तो कुछ नहीं है
बट विजय मैं तो सच बात बताऊं ये सच्चाई है मैं जो तो ये बोल रहा हूं ना ये सच्चाई है I really wouldn't know I didn't know anybody in the film industry I am telling you I was sleeping in the afternoon
my daughter has a word for it she tells me she's a nonchalant why do you always are nonchalant
but yes actually बता विजय aren't we all just visiting this earth हमें पता भी नहीं हम क्यों यहाँ पर हैं
now you've gone philosophical
no but it's a life तो philosophy होती है ना
हाँ जी
so हम लोग यहाँ पे we are just passing through यार
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ पासिंग थ्रू तो सब कर लो
हाँ तो जो मेरा मौका मिल रहा है कर रहा हूँ जो मौका मिल रहा है कर रहा हूँ
सॉरी आई इंटरप्टेड यू मेघना के बारे में आप बता रहे थे
हाँ so I was sleeping in the afternoon she just called me she said okay we want you to do this thing and with the Miss Universe so that was her pitch I was like
मेरे को नहीं फर्क
I was like dude I don't care about Miss Universe Your father's Gulzar Saab. I want to meet him.
No, but you just said you were in this for the chicks.
Arey yaar,
And here
that
was
was-
Miss Universe.
bro, that was when I was in the medical college, and it was not the Miss Universe I was interested in. I was interested in Miss World. She didn't get her. So she said, my deal was that I'm going to sing a song written by Gulzar Saab.
Right.
मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ी बात
Of
थी.
course.
मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात. मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूँ, मैं इंडस्ट्री में 2 ऐसे लोगों से मिला हूँ जिनसे मुझे मिलके लगा कि मेरी जिंदगी बदल गई.
Gee.
One was Gulzar Saab and one was Bachchan Saab. Bachchan Saab, I'm standing over, he just walks up to me and say, "Hi, I'm Amitabh Bachchan." I said, "Sir, मैं जानता हूँ." He said, "But I should not presume कि तुम जानते हो." Man,
He said that.
yeah, I'm looking at him like, and ever since Vijay, that was one of the best lessons of humility. That's Amitabh Bachchan, yaar.
Yeah.
There's not been an actor like that. There'll never be an actor like that. He walks up and says, "Hi, I'm Amitabh Bachchan. I hear your music. It's in my car." मेरी फट गई यार. I was like, Bachchan Saab. So they are the 2 people I met.
Sorry, I'm going to pause you there. Did it at that point, internally at least, the sound in your head saying, "Wow, like I've arrived," kinds,
No.
नहीं?
I just said, what a humble man.
Hmm.
I was appreciating him. यार सबको पता होता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों को नहीं पता होता. सबको पता होता है. पर वो होते हैं ना कुछ लोग, एक जैसे एक्टर है 2-3 जो कि ऐसे अच्छा ये भी होते हैं. तो वो जो सबसे बड़ा है वो आके मुझसे हाथ मिलाता है और कहता है मैं ये हूँ और मैं तेरा म्यूजिक सुनता हूँ, मेरी गाड़ी में पड़ा हुआ.
Is that why you said what you did, which is that people like Bachchan Saab should take the lead
Absolutely.
and be more vocal?
Absolutely. We all worship him यार.
Hmm.
अगर जो भगवान है हमारे, हम लोग how have we created the gods, ऐसे ही तो कुछ होगा ना. सबसे अच्छा जो बंदा होगा he is भगवान.
2013 में उन्होंने कहा था हालांकि कि पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं, अब मैं साइकिल लेके जाऊंगा. उसके बाद नहीं कहा.
तो जो भी था उसको बोला हाँ. I'm telling you, the 2 people I met in my stint as an actor of 1 year, I will always say that, again, Gulzar Saab, brilliant, humble, so funny, and so like giving. ऐसे 2 लोगों से मिल लो ना, फिर तुम्हारी जिंदगी सेट हो जाती है. मेरी जिंदगी सेट हो गई. मैं कहा अगर यार ये जो सबसे बड़े राइटर रहे हैं, और एंड देन I mean many years later I have had the pleasure to be sitting at least 3-4 flights with Javed Saab. Again, what a fabulous man.
Fabulous guy.
मतलब और मैं इन लोगों की क्यों नाम ले रहा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो बाकी लोग मेरे जो दोस्त हैं, चाहे मिथुन है, चाहे सचिन है, चाहे विशाल है, ये लोग they are all so huge, they are all legends, they are all great guys, but I'm talking about the people जिनको हम लोग टच नहीं कर
हाँ जी.
पाएंगे. कोई नहीं टच कर पाएगा.
जी.
वो अगर बैठ के इतनी ह्यूमिलिटी के साथ अपने लाइफ की फिलॉसफी शेयर कर सकते हैं, तो यार फिर तो सीखना चाहिए. All of us should learn. And whatever I could learn, I just learned from their persona.
Is there still a bucket list for you musically?
बकेट लिस्ट हो जाता है कि तुम जिंदगी के अंत तक पहुंच गए. मैं 27 साल का हूं, तो I have
So, wish list.
I have a wish list.
Yes.
Okay. There are हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसे कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले. Top of the list would be like doing one collab with I'm not looking at collaboration with Beyonce. I would want to do a great song with Beyonce. I think she is ऐसे कोई नहीं है, हो ही नहीं सकती.
Right.
So yeah, she's someone I would one. Secondly, I was maybe the first guy who really improved the level of concerts in this country. People never used to have live bands. People never used to have this kind of sound support or light support or a performance, what should I say, ethic on stage. So these are something that, Euphoria brought in. All the musicians started traveling by air. People used to be sent by buses,
Correct.
trains, whatever. Euphoria ke saath. And more Western musicians came into the
Mainstream.
पहले क्या होता था, so-called orchestra होता था.
Correct.
But now they're drummers, they're bass players, guitar players, keyboard players, all getting jobs. I think they all should give me some credit. So that is again my dream, that these kind of shows, like I know Diljit is doing it. What's his name? Ojala is doing
Karan
it.
Aujla.
See, these guys are already doing it. I mean, Rahman is doing it. They're doing it. Arijit is doing it. But I really want Just a concert should be of the level of, say, of a Pink Floyd, of a like a Coldplay. उस लेवल के अगर हमारे लोग हम लोग उस लेवल के शोज करना शुरू करें, रोलिंग स्टोन्स,
Yeah.
आई थिंक that'll be my dream come true, you know. So दो तीन ड्रीम तो ऐसे ही हैं. Yes, I would definitely want to make a record label that works for the artist
Right.
and helps them, really helps them. I need money
For
for that.
artists like me.
Why not? I'm तो he's a musician actually. Aloki, did you know that? Vijay I didn't know. And he's just done a song with Abhay.
Not yet. I told you I met him. Not yet. I told you about it.
Yes, bro. I'm telling you, that's the whole thing, you know. I wish I could do it. And I mean, these are things I need money for.
Yeah.
I don't need money for a car. I'm happy with whatever I have. मुझे किया है, छोटी सी एक थार है, मैं खुश हूँ, दोनों से खुश हूँ. So मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Yeah, it has to take you from one place to another. The house, whatever house it is, you have to sleep in the same bed, in the same room. ये नहीं चीज चाहिए मुझे. What I need money for is, taking the whole, and also creating an independent music industry in this country. We still don't have it.
Right.
We are part of a film industry.
You feel that.
We are. I mean, देखा जाए तो कोई independent music industry नहीं है हमारे यहाँ.
There are indie musicians, but there's no
Yes.
industries.
There's no industry. All over the world, there are industries, bro. हर जगह अगर अमेरिका में जाओगे तो there is an industry. There's a music industry. There's a film industry. So if the film wants to use the music, they will go to the industry. ऐसा नहीं है कि तो एक musician आके तुम्हारे लिए काम करेगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. So these are things that have to be. They have to change. That change will have to come someday, maybe.
Are there any plans for a global tour or something?
Again, trying. I hope so.
Because you have fans all over.
We do, but then I mean, the film fans are stronger than the non-film fans. And bro, इस समय इतने सारे film के tour चल रहे हैं कि जगह कहाँ मिलेगी? मतलब and I mean, from what I hear, most of those tours are also not working.
Correct.
Because there's
only so much people can spend and buy tickets.
Yeah, और हमारे तो यहाँ पर मतलब people are going non-stop. And then going and expecting people to spend that kind of money also. So I mean, it's very difficult. And I'm a realistic guy, and I don't want anybody to lose money. जब हमारे लिए space होगी, जब हमारा audience तैयार होगा, we'd love to go. Why not? Music has to travel. It has to travel everywhere.
Now, what I gathered from today's conversation is that you are a very soulful man, rooted to your upbringing, rooted to your art, very committed to your art.
Committed.
And
committed to my friends, committed to my
there
family.
There is no hypocrisy. There are no double standards.
There aren't.
It's such a revelation, because in the times that we live in, people like you are very rare to come by.
Thank you so much.
And I mean that from all my heart.
Thank you so much. And I'll say one more thing, one thing to you. This has been, I think, the most interesting, exciting interview I've ever done. I think Ansha has been sitting here throughout, even though he's chatting with his girlfriend right now, but he will still agree that whatever I have said is not only because I am honest. I think this is it's an extremely intelligent interview, and I'm so happy.
Yeah.
So we have spoken about things that I never speak about. So I'm grateful.
No, we with all our guests, we just let it flow.
Because we're unmixed. That's the reason.
I don't carry templates, or we don't do any pre-prep. Of course, I read up on the guest to at least gauge what I should be talking about. But everything else, like we spoke about so many other things about the country and the state of affairs in this country.
We spoke about very pertinent things.
Yeah, but I think it's all from a good place.
Yes.
And but I would still strongly recommend that you document your journey, either through a book or through a documentary. I'm sure Netflix will love to.
There were two people who approached us to do a biopic.
Yeah, exactly.
But they didn't say anything after that.
क्योंकि आप हर इंटरव्यू कहते हैं मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए, मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए, हो गया ये पैसा क्यों मांग रहा है ये? No, it's been amazing talking to you, Palash bhai. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. All the best for your.
Thank you.
Your journey.
So that was the legend Palash Sen on our show. If you've loved this interview, please like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and please follow us on Instagram.